Hello boys and girls, welcome to Let's Get Outdoors Today. Today we have our second backpacker box. This is the March 2015 edition. I paid for this with my own money. I am not affiliated with Backpackerbox, so my opinions are my own. Let's dig in. There we go. We're in. Okay, right on top we have the Enjoy Your Backpacker Box card. On the back it shows the items that are there, and you can take a quick look at that. And under the tissue paper we have, this is a good one. Alright, we have a Honey Stinger chocolate waffle. These have been in other packs, apparently kind of a staple for hikers and backpackers. We have two of these Ernest Eats chewy granola bars, dark chocolate almond and superfood trail mix. These look pretty tasty. I see on the bottom we have an issue of Backpacker magazine. Oh, the Guide Gear issue, 2015's Best New Gear. That's going to be cool. I'm liking the looks of that. And also we have astronaut ice cream, freeze-dried, ready-to-eat space food. Woo! Yeah! And last but not least, this is what I was looking at as soon as I opened the box. There is a black diamond headlamp. This is called the Gizmo, 35 lumens. This is a nice little piece, and it even comes with the batteries. So alrighty, so that's what we have for this month's backpacker box. As always, I will source these items out and we'll see how much value is in the box. We'll be back. Stand by one. Alright, sports fans, the tally is in. I went and sourced these items, and here's what I come up with. The Backpacker magazine has a cover price of $7.99. We'll call that $8. The Stinger chocolate waffle is $1.25. The astronaut ice cream came in at $2.50. The Ernest Eats granola bars came in at 75 cents a piece. And the Gizmo headlamp was between $17 and $20. So I'm going to call that $18.50. Backpacker box costs $19 plus shipping. To get it to my house, it costs $25.91. The value of this box that I came up with is $31.75. So this box has value. The last box had value also. I like this. I especially like the headlamp. I like it. What can I say? It's looking good. I'm going to keep them coming as long as I'm happy with them. So until next time, guys, get outdoors, enjoy your family, enjoy your friends, make some memories, and happy trails.